it's Miss Claire here, and I'm going to read Big Blue Train by Julia Jarman. Are you ready? Big Blue Train. Okay. Big Blue Train by Julia Jarman and Adrian Reynolds. Ben and Bella in the big blue train. Puffa puffa, chugga lugga. Blow the whistle, Bella, pull the handle, Ben. Chugga luffa puffs from the station, then chugga chuff, clickety clack. Who's that waving by the track? Hello, kids, please help me. I'm invited to a party at 3:30. Jump on, Cat. We'll get you there by 3:30 with no time to spare. Cat jumps aboard in a single bound. Chugga-lugga, wheels go whizzing round. Cat, Ben, and Bella in the big blue train. Puffa puffa, chugga lugga, blow the whistle, Bella, pull the handle, Ben. Chugga lugga, steam train is off again. Off to the North Pole. Here we go. But who's that stomping in the snow? Who could it be? Hey there, kids! Is there room for Bear? I'm going to a party. Can you take me there? Pile in, Polar Bear. Sit by Cat. Okay, so Polar Bear goes in. And hold on tight to your party hat. Steam puffs up into the sky. Just see the steam going up, up, up into the sky. Polar Bear, Cat, Ben and Bella in a big blue train. Puffa puffa, chugga luffa. Blow the whistle, Bella, pull the handle, Ben. Chugga luffa, steam train is off again. We're chugging through the jungles, going through the jungle. 1, 2, 3. But who's that leaping from the tree? Hello, kids, is there room for me? I'm going to a party by the sea. Oh yes, Leopard, there's room for you. We're all going to the party too. Leopard leaps in with 2 chimpanzees. Move along now. You'll have to squeeze. So they're all squeezing on board. So we've got Leopard, Polar, Cat, got Ben and Bella, and the chimpanzees. We're off again. Puffa puffa, chugga lugga. Puffa puffa, chugga lugga. Smoke bellows, sparkles sky high. Steam puffs up into the sky. Do you see all that steam up there? Blow the whistle, Bella. Oh, stop the train. We're at the farm. There's I wonder what's in the farm. Clickety hand. Hello, kids. Will you take me and my chicks to a birthday tea? Yes, Clucky. Move along now, but not you, Spotty Cow. Okay, so our hen goes in. But Spotty Cow climbs on and fills the truck. Look, it's all filled now. Chugga chugs to the desert, but then gets stuck. And Camel appears. Sorry, Camel, there's there isn't room for another mammal. No, Camel, there isn't room. But Camel pushes. Chugga-Loofah, who starts to. So Camel pushes. So it starts to go. Zoom into the tunnel. Dark and vast. So they go into the tunnel. I wonder what's at the other side of the tunnel. Out of the tunnel, wheels spin fast. Then Chugga-Loofah stops suddenly. Suddenly stops. Jump out, we're here, cries Chimpanzee. But whose birthday is it? Let's go and see. It's someone's birthday party. It's Puppy Dogs. Hip hip hooray! Happy birthday to you today. Thank you, friends. Today I'm 3. Come and share my birthday tea. There's birthday cake for everyone and birthday games. Lots of fun. Can you see everyone? They're all at their birthday for Puppy Dog. Do you think you can blow out the candles? Then there's jumping over the foam until Cluckety cries, "We must go home!" Puppy Dog waves, "Thank you, goodbye," as smoke puffs into the sky. Pile in the train, hold on tight. Hurry, Chugga-Loofah through the night. So are they all ready to go on the train? Chugga chugga. Drop our friends off on the way. See you all another day. Blow the whistle, Bella. Hold the handlebar. Now Chugga-Loofah takes us home again. We're back at the station. Chugga-Loofah pulls out after so much racing about. And here comes Mum. Bedtime, you two. Good night, Chugga-Loofah, and thank you. And that's the end. Well done, everyone, for listening so nicely to the story. If you were going on a train journey, which toy would you take with you? Goodbye, everyone.